Welcome back. I'm going to show you how to make some chicken tenders from scratch. Very easy and simple. So let's get started. Alright, so first obviously we have chicken tenders. This right here, I've gone ahead and got things ready. This is just egg whites. This is about 4 or 5 egg whites. You don't want the yellow in it. And this is what's going to help all the flour and stuff stick to it better. This is the flour. You can just use any type of like all-purpose flour. You can add spices to it, like salt, garlic powder, pepper, whatever you want. And so I'm going to walk you through the process on how I make them. So first, we take the chicken tenders and we roll them in here into the egg whites. And just let them sit in there for just a little bit. Alright, so I got my flour mixture over here. And in my flour mixture, I like to put salt and pepper, garlic powder, garlic powder and some smoked paprika, just for a little bit extra flavor. But you can add, any type of spices or herbs that you want to it. So what you're gonna do after it's been sitting in the egg whites, you're gonna take it and put it into the flour here. And you can do multiple of them. Just like this. Okay. Alright, so after we have these nice and coated, you can use whatever kind of oil you want. We like to use olive oil or like avocado oil because it's just healthier. But you can use any kind of oil that you want. So I've got some oil in here, it's heating up, and all we're going to do is just take the chicken tenders and put it in there and let it cook. Again, these are going to be simple meals, simple things that you can cook and they're going to taste amazing. You don't have to go spend all this money on going out to eat and stuff and paying someone else when you can just do it yourself and make it however you like it and be a whole lot cheaper. Alright, now for me, when you take the oil, I always add just a little pat of butter into the oil. And what it does is it makes the chicken tenders or whatever you're cooking a little more dark brown. It just makes it, look darker. So we're going to continue putting in these chicken tenders here. Watch these things cook here. And of course, depending on your stove, and again, I'm using a cast iron pot here, so it does get a little bit hotter. So I don't have it on high. And you don't want it on high either because it might burn it, but you do want the oil to actually be to a point to where it's going to boil. Basically, how to test it, if it's hot enough, get you some flour, you just sprinkle it in there, and if it sizzles, here we go. So this one will be done first. So, you want to cook them until they're brown, golden brown, just like this right here. See that? Yummy. Now, after you put it down, I like to take a little salt and sprinkle it over, because otherwise it might be a little bit bland as far as if the salt's what brings it all out. You know, this last one here, do that. That'll look good. A little bit of salt on there. And that is how you make chicken fingers. Chicken fingers. Ooh, look at that. Hot. See that? Yummy. Taste it. And my grandpa used to say, I make a bulldog break his chain. Well, thank you for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. We'll see you later.